Over there, honey.
A little less like a dirge like that.
Okay, let's start again. Hold on. Happy birthday to you.
I am a roaming god of the sea. What?
Jesus.
What are you laughing at?
Help me, dear.
Here we go.